In today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall Claude Code on Windows quickly and safely using the exact method that matches where it was installed. This is a simple step-by-step tutorial, so even if you're not super technical, you'll be able to follow along in just a minute or two. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials like this. Now let's get started. The first thing you need to do is find out where Claude Code was installed on your computer. To do that, open Command Prompt or PowerShell and type where Claude, then press Enter. This command helps you locate the Claude executable and shows you the installation path, so you know exactly what file you're dealing with. Once you've confirmed the location, the next step is to open Command Prompt or PowerShell as an administrator. This is important because uninstalling system or user-level executables sometimes requires elevated permissions. To do this, search for Command Prompt or PowerShell in the Start menu, right-click it, and choose Run as Administrator. Now, in the admin window, type the uninstall command exactly as shown, del-f-q%user profile %var.localsfasset Claude.exe, and then press Enter. This command force deletes the Claude executable from the local bin folder in your user profile. The F flag forces deletion of read-only files, and the Q flag runs it quietly without extra prompts. If the file is located in that folder, this should remove Claude Code from your system right away. If you get an error, double-check the path from the where Claude command because your installation method may have placed it somewhere different. In that case, you may need to remove the specific Claude file from the exact directory that Windows reports. After running the command, you can close Command Prompt or PowerShell. If you want to make sure it's gone, you can run where Claude again. If nothing comes back, that usually means the executable has been removed successfully. And that's it. You've now uninstalled Claude Code on Windows. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.